Meet Nurabot, Kawasaki and Foxconn's robot nurse, set to revolutionise hospitals by 2026. Kawasaki and Foxconn have teamed up to tackle a big problem in hospitals, not with more staff, but with smarter machines. Introducing Nurabot, a robotic nursing assistant set to roll out in 2026. Based on Kawasaki's existing social robot Nyokkey, Nurabot comes with 2 arms for growing objects, a large compartment, and the ability to navigate hospital hallways on its own. No pushing required. It's designed to support nurses with tasks like transporting blood samples, delivering medication, guiding patients, and even offering hygiene advice. Yes, your next hand wash reminder could be from a robot. Foxconn brought its software know-how while Kawasaki handles the robotics, and early trials have already taken place at Taiwan's Taichung Veterans General Hospital. With nurse shortages becoming a global concern, Foxconn and Kawasaki hope Nurabot can ease the load and maybe make long shifts a little more manageable for human staff. Because sometimes the best way to support healthcare workers is to give them a helping hand, or in this case, 2 robotic ones. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.